Hi guys, so in this video I am going to cover collections. So let's start. So you can see I have declared one array here. So let's see how to sort the array. So simply we are going to use inbuilt function arrays dot not parallel sort. It will be sort only arr and just see the output for entire in arr print I. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see this is sorted order. So this is how we are going to sort array. Now let's see some other collections that we have already used in our previous video. New array list. Okay. Wait a minute, I think there is some issue. Now let's see how we are going to sort this. So this will be sort using collections dot sort okay. So this will be going to sort in for arrays you are going to use arrays dot sort. For collections you are going to use collections dot sort, and it will be in sorted order. Let's print the collection. Let's see what's the output. So you can see that it's in sorted order 0168. Okay. Oh, I can directly print the list. I don't have to do things. Okay. So you can see it is in sorted order. So similarly we have previously seen set and map, and now there is one more thing in Java. Like C++, we are also having vector here. Vector. Similarly, we can add elements to it. Similarly, we can remove things from it. You can also remove from same vector dot remove. You could put index 1. Similarly, you can also sort it. Okay. Similarly, you can do things like that we are doing in C++, we can also do in Java. Okay, so this is the basic thing that you must know, that we are going to sort and different operations using vectors. Similarly, we are also having here linked list. Okay, linked list. Okay, so similarly we are going to add here things dot add 7. It will be same. We have added a list, and we already know about set and map. So I think that's enough for collection. We can also see how to sort in reverse order. So basically similarly you can also write it in opposite order, but We can also see different things in Java also, how to sort in reverse order. So basically let's see how to sort in reverse order. So you can see here, if I want to sort this collection, then how I'm going to sort. There is something called as collections dot reverse okay, there is something called as reverse order. Okay, so when you will put reverse order, it will sort it in reverse order. Okay, there are some error. Okay, list reverse order list. Okay, so we can use reverse order this way. Basically we can't use list in this way. Let's see how we are going to use in sort. So basically we have to define collections dot sort. Wait, collections dot sort collections dot sort and put the list here and then write it this. Okay, so you can see here, if I am going to print it, it won't show any error here. 8610. So you can see here how to do in reverse sorting.